Hello everyone, my subject name is Information Theory for Cybersecurity and topic is Diffley-Hellman. And my group members is Neha Teli, Vaibhavi Patil, Sneha Gaikwad and Payaswini Patil. Firstly, I am introduce the introduction of Diffley-Hellman. The Diffley-Hellman key exchange was independently invited by Whitfield Diffley and Martin Hellman in 1976. It is a fundamental part of modern cryptography and is used to securely negotiate cryptographic keys over insecure channels such as the internet. Diffley-Hellman key exchange is a method of digital encryption that securely exchanges cryptographic keys between two parties over a public channel without their conservation being transmitted over the internet. Second, I explain the uses of Diffley-Hellman. Diffley-Hellman is used to secure a variety of internet services. The Diffley-Hellman algorithm will be used to establish secure communication channels. This channel is used by the system to exchange a private key. Diffley-Hellman is currently used in many protocols, namely that is Secure Sockets Layer, Transport Layer Security, Secure Shell, Internet Protocol Security, Public Key Infrastructure. It is also
Input method process. Input public parameters. Both parents agree on certain public parameters. A larger prime number pp, a primitive root modulo pp, denoted as G. Process. Key generation is party selects a private key. Party A selects a private key AA. Party B selects a private key BB.
Output of Diffie-Hellman key exchange method. The shared secret access which is the same for both parties and can be used for secure communication. This process allows the parties to agree on a shared secret key over a public channel without clearly transmitting the key itself, and thereby the providing a means for a secure communication.
So in Diffie-Hellman algorithm, it is used to exchange of secret key. Suppose we have a plain text and we encrypt it with some algorithm, and that key we have to provide to both sender and receiver. But in case any other person the attacker may be attacks. So for preventing such type of attacks, we use the Diffie-Hellman algorithm. Here in this example, we can see that the two persons, Alice and Bob, are sending and receiving the text, and a common key uh, provides to them. So in the step first, Alice and Bob publicly agree on a shared key to use PG. The key is P equals to 23 and G equals to 5. Step second, Alice with the A equals to 4 key. Alice combines her secret key A with the shared key and sends the result A to the Bob. The new becoming key of the Alice is A equals to 5 raised to 4 mod 23 equals to 4. And the step 3, Bob combines the secret key B with the shared key and sends the result B to the Alice. The new key is B equals to 5 raised to 3 mod 23 equals to 10. In the step 4, Alice combines capital B with her secret key A, and the key is become S equals to 10 raised to 4 mod 23 equals to 18. And the step 5, Bob combines capital A with his secret key small b. The new key become S equals to 4 raised to 3 mod 23 equals to 18. Here we can say that the last step, Alice and Bob have a shared secret keys and they get same value of the keys 18 and 18. Thank you.
Next point is advantages. First is security. It provides a secure method for two parties to agree on a shared secret even over insure channels, making it resistant to eavesdropping and man in the middle attack. Second is efficiency. DP-Hillman key exchange is computationally efficient compared to the another key exchange method, particularly for establishing secure communication between multiple parties simultaneously. Advantages. First is resource intensive for high security. To achieve higher levels of security, DPU Hillman often requires the use of larger key size, which can be computationally intensive and may not be feasible in resource constrained environments. Second is key management complexity. DPU Hillman requires each party to generate and secure manage their own public private key pairs, which adds complexity, especially in large scale development or environment with frequently key rotations.
Application of Diffie-Hellman key exchange method. First is secure communication protocol. Diffie-Hellman is a fundamental component of protocol like TLC and SSL used for securing web browsing. SSH for secure remote access for securing network communication. Second one is virtual private network. Virtual private network use Diffie-Hellman to establish secure communication between users and a private network over the internet.